Well, I can't have a pyramid that has 4x4 posts that are not a pyramid. So I've learned how to set the saw at a perfect 45-degree angle and make 45-degree pyramid tops. And let's go ahead and do that together. Since I've been showing so much of this work, I feel like, why stop now? You might as well see what all's really going into this project. So, here we go. I already have them marked 4 inches all the way around. That's boring stuff that you don't need to see. There's lots of YouTube videos of how to do this. And then eventually you just have to do it. First chunk. Slow and steady wins the race. This is not something you rush. I think that's a pretty cool shape that comes out of this. And I'll probably do something with that. So I'm off my mark, so I can come forward just a little bit. And I would rather do that. Okay. Shim under here. It keeps dropping down a little bit. That's better. That's the side that's next. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and redo that little bottom edge on this one where it dropped a little. I want perfection. And just like that, pyramid top. Let's do one more and then I'll do the rest. Okay. Oh, love power tools. Love being able to make stuff. This is going to be really cool, guys. I hope, anyway. I hope so. But if you don't try, I guess you never know, right? That's the expression. So I'm going to give it the old college try. Do I get an A for effort? I hope so. So I don't know if you noticed that board kind of jumped. A lot of people actually remake this slot and make it different sizes for things they're doing. That's something I've learned that I didn't realize, that you actually buy these tools and then do all kinds of things to alter them. And there's no instructions for that. Thank God for YouTube. Last cut. And looks good to me. All right. Maybe let's take a little bit more off this one. And that'll even it up. If I was just building a privacy fence, this would be perfect. But this is art. Now it's that blade's width to me means the difference. This is going to be there hopefully another 15 or 20 years. I want this to look great for 15, 20, 25, 30 years. I don't think I'll last 30 years, but it's okay. Maybe somebody else will take over Roman Massage and Fitness. Some young buck wants to work, have a different life. I never promised you wine and roses. That's the one. paint. So I have to paint these and that 6x6 center beam that I cut that piece from. So I have it sanded and ready to go. Stay tuned, y'all. The art's really, this is about almost done and I can move on to some other stuff. It's a lot of work, but it's going to be good. I hope. Let's